In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur an image in Figma. To begin, import your image into your Figma workspace. Once your image is placed, look to the right-hand side of your screen where you'll see the Design panel. Scroll down within this panel until you find the Effects section. Click the plus icon next to Effects to add a new effect. By default, this will apply a drop shadow to your image. Click on the Effects drop-down menu and select Layer Blur from the list. Once Layer Blur is selected, you'll notice your image has a slight blur applied. To customize this, click on the small settings icon next to Layer Blur. Here, you'll see a numerical input field where you can manually type in the blur intensity. Alternatively, you can hover your mouse next to the number and drag left or right to adjust the blur in real time. You'll see the changes applied immediately on your image. If at any point you want to hide the blur, simply click the eye icon next to the effect to toggle its visibility on or off. And that's how you can add a blur to an image in Figma.